These are your recirculation valves. In the vertical or 12 o'clock position, it is your spray position. When you turn them at the 9 and at the 3 o'clock, it opens a port inside, allowing the fluid to come out your recirculation lines, as well as your hoses, which will be mounted here, going to your spray gun. As you can see, there's a hole for a pin which holds it together. Here is the pin exposed. I'm going to take it out the rest of the way. The knob comes off, the base comes off. At least it's supposed to. This is the recirculation valve. It can be taken apart and cleaned. It can also be replaced. The first thing I will do is take it apart. It is possible from time to time to have material, typically on the A side, get a piece of foreign material or crystallized isocyanate in the valve to hang it open. These are the ports that open up. This collar comes off. This is your detent spring, and then this comes out, and that's your valve. Clean it out, being sure you don't score the O-ring or the plastic ring. Put it back together. Making sure there's no foreign material inside the block. You could take a pressure valve out, or a pressure gauge out. You could blow air through it, some type of a spray cleaner, and then reassemble. When you reassemble, you want to make sure that the hole in the pin is at 3 and 9 o'clock so that it'll be lined up for your pin to go back in. The base goes on. handle goes on. Install the pin. You want to hear a snap. That's a good thing.